Got a couple of cars to show you. I've got a Mark 4 Golf and a Mark 1 Focus ST170. It was -2 overnight, so I thought I'd do a bit of a cold start, see if these both start. This Golf Mark 4 has done 175,000 miles, so is the Focus. The Golf is a 1.4 petrol, full service history. The ST170, it's got no history with it, but it's had 2 owners from new, both in the same family, and they both drive pretty sweet. So I reckon we'll start them up, see if they both start, and we'll have a quick look. I reckon start the Golf first. This has been sitting for a couple of weeks, so hopefully she starts. If I can find the key, there we go. So yeah, it's a Golf match. So you get electric windows, front and rear, electric wing mirrors, tape player, CD changer, 5-speed gearbox with a very worn gator. This is your standard steering wheel, not a leather one. Completely frozen inside. Temperature currently is still showing as -1. So yeah, 175,000 miles, and it does run really nice actually, nice and smooth. Open up the doors. Yeah, not too bad a condition for the age. This has had the last owner for 13 years. Again, full history, even with the cam belt down. Can't get in the boots, I've got it pulled up. That's that other Golf, which was my donor Golf, which I started stripping parts off from my main Golf. Right, so let's give it a whirl. See if she starts. Fuel pump priming. And there we go. Fan belt's a little squeaky. A little bit of tapping. Should go when it warms up. There you go, she starts. Heated element on. Pop the hood. Alloy wheels. I do like this shape. Have a look under the bonnet. A little bit tappety. Yeah, one downside of this Golf is this wing, which I'm going to try and find another one. Apart from that, it's actually pretty mint. So the Golf starts. Let's see if the Focus ST starts. So again, 175,000 miles. This is in pretty decent nick. Paintwork ain't the best. It's had a lot of patch-up jobs, but it's pretty presentable. It's got 17-inch wheels. Decent tyres around. 6-speed gearbox. Got a 2-bar. C170, 2002. So, my key. Let's see if this starts in. So, this has got sport seats, a bit worn on the drivers, half leather, aluminium pedals. Again, 6-speed gearbox. No air conditioning on this. Got your sporty looking dials. Let's give it a go. Electric windows, 3-door. Okay. Yep, she starts. Sweet. It does sound good for the mileage, sorry. 174, so just coming up to 175. I need to quickly turn it off because on Fords, especially this era, I need to open the bonnet with a key. Turn it one way to unlock it, turn it the other way. Okay, so that's what the engine looks like. Let's give it a start. Show you what it's like running. Sounds pretty sweet for 174,000 miles. Cold start, no problem at all. It is a 2 litre, 16 valve, 173 horsepower, 6-speed gearbox, plenty of go in it, a nice solid engine. There you go. So I'll do a couple more videos of these cars. Not sure what I'm doing with them yet. I'm probably just going to flip them on for a bit of cash. I was tempted to keep the Mark IV, but it's only a 1.4 petrol, so not much get up and go in it. But I was tempted to stick some bigger wheels on and make it look like a bit of a sportier model. But there you go. So if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I'll do a few more videos of these. And thanks for watching. See you all soon.